Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the things I have learned from my school life. Yeah, school life. Okay, jokes apart. Let's without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So the very first thing I have learned from my school life is that never do something just to act cool or fit in a particular group of people or just to please others. If you will do things to please others, you feel so less confident about yourself in the long run. You won't realize it at the moment when you are doing so, but in the long run it's gonna harm you in a very bad way. Don't do things to please others, because it's better to be alone than being with others and not being yourself. So stop not being yourself before you start hating your own self. Stop before this thing happens. Very well relate to this thing because I had a girl in my class and she used to judge every single person in our class. Even she used to judge teachers that today she is not looking good and today you are not looking good, and she was quite powerful in our class and everybody used to try to please her. But I am very grateful to my sister for this, that she told me that if you don't like doing something, just don't do it. Don't do anything to please her or anybody. Be yourself. So I hope you won't get into a situation like this ever, and if you are in a situation, then come out of it as soon as possible. Now the second thing I learned from my school is that don't do something that you will regret about it later, because if you are doing something, then think about it calmly and deeply, that whether you will be happy with it in the long run. Because sometimes forgiveness, you just don't feel that everything is all right now. Get forgive for your mistake, even then you don't feel happy enough, or you don't feel that everything is all. I had a teacher and she used to treat me in a different way. She used to say that you can't sit here, you sit there, and just and her rules, and most of her rules were applicable on me. Very strict when it comes to me, and I used to think that she hates me or something. One day she said that I can't sit with my best friend for anymore. Then I got so mad and I get into a bitter argument with her, and she I she also said me few things and I also said few things to her, but she was quite not in the fight mode. I think that she is afraid of me or something like that, and I was thinking that she will complain about me to my parents, to principal, but she didn't did anything like that. And even after the whole scenario, her behavior was still kind and quite loving towards me, and I realized all those things after the argument, and I still feel regret from inside that I shouldn't do that. And I said sorry to her and she also forgave me. But some things don't get correct, or you don't feel good about those things even when you get forgive for it. So before doing anything, think calmly and deeply that whether you will be happy with it in the long run. So do that before you feel before you cry for hours that why you did that. The next thing I learned from my school is don't interact too much with those people who are involved in unethical activities, or who are bad with some other people, or who are doing bad things with other people. And if you are thinking that their behavior is good to you and the way they are behaving and the bad things they are doing to others is none of your business, then my friend, they will surely do the same things to you. Realize that you are completely wrong. Most probably you will realize that one day. So before getting into such a situation, just from those people or stay quite away from those people. And the next thing I learned from my school is that just help selflessly. The thing I learned from my school is that never ever let others' words play with your emotions. Because when others say, just don't show how you are, they just shows how they are. So whenever someone sees something, analyze it whether that person is eligible enough to say those things to you, and analyze them on your own. Is that person correct? Before just getting emotional breakdown that I am like this and that person said me this. Because I was having a teacher perhaps in my 5th or 6th standard, and once she said that let's play a game. The person who will speak first in the classroom will be donkey, so that she can make students sit silently. Then all the students in my classroom would sit silently, and they just don't spoke after that. But the person who spoke after that for the first was her, and then students also started talking, because they thought that she is donkey and now they can talk freely. But then when she find out that students are talking, then she started pointing out, you spoke first. But I just stand up and said quickly that no ma'am, you spoke first. And then she got so mad at me that am I donkey, are you saying me donkey? Then I said, no ma'am, I just said that you spoke first. So we all are not donkey. Then she said that, are you mad, or are you just like this, or just your parents taught you to behave like this? How can you call me donkey? She was so mad at me and she said so many things to me, and I was deeply hurt by those things, really. And because I was also a kid, yeah, and she said so many things, like your parents are like this, your parents will be behaving like this in your house, and you will be behaving like this to your parents also, and you will be saying donkey to your parents also. And I got so hurt by those things, and I also said that, no ma'am, I am not saying that you are donkey. I was just saying those things that because I think that rules are same for everyone, and I just said that rules are same for everyone, ma'am. And then she said that even after listening so many things, you are getting into an argument with me. You are such a bad girl and so many things. I cried for hours in the classroom, and even after coming home, I was crying for hours. And hours. And that's what I want to say, that never ever let others words play with your emotion. I'm not saying that the teacher was not correct, but I'm just saying that she can also tell me that, no beta, you should not behave like this to elders, because I was a kid. Was also, I should not also say that, but the thing that I get, that I assumed after that, that rules are not same for everyone. And for perhaps 2 to 3 years I was thinking that rules are not same for everyone, rules should not be same for everyone, and the person who thinks like this is completely wrong. Don't forget to leave all the bad memories of your school life in the comment section below, so that you can also feel happy like that of me, and gives a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.